Hey everyone, welcome back to the Painless Flipping channel where we dive deep into the world of real estate, sharing tips, tricks, and stories to help you on your investment journey. I'm Nathan Payne, your guide through the ups and downs of the real estate investing world. But today, we're taking a slightly different route. Before I became known for flipping houses and closing deals, I was flipping verses and closing tracks. That's right, during my college days I had a passion for rap music and I even made a rap video. It might seem like worlds apart from real estate investing, but let me tell you, the journey from then to now has been nothing short of incredible. You might be wondering, how does a rap video relate to real estate? That's a good question. Both require creativity, dedication, and a willingness to take risks. I, of course, know I'm not that good at rapping, but I did it anyway. Writing rap lyrics pushed me to think outside the box, a skill that's been invaluable in finding unique real estate opportunities. Performing taught me confidence, vital for negotiating deals. And let's not forget about the rhythm. The rhythm of a rap flow isn't too different from the rhythm of the real estate market. Both have their beats, their highs and their lows, and to succeed in either, you've got to learn how to ride those waves. So without further ado, I want to take you back to those college days and share a piece of my past with you. Here's the rap video I mentioned. As you watch it, think about the creativity and passion behind it. And remember, no matter where we start, it's the journey and what we learn from it that truly shapes us.
Yo, everybody knows me by the name of Poppy Payne. I always be shining with my gold rings. Reppin' Southeast Idaho is where we bump and be. Bump! Yo, T-Millie, you got me?
T-Millie is the best, coming straight from the west, great like King Kong, beating on my chest, $1 drinks, $2 bowls, free refills, can lighten up the soul.
Step in the building, you know that I'm coolin'. Chillin' at Skizzy's, you know how I'm doing. Good, you wish that you could. Playing some games, I'm reading a book.
One and only, który wycinam these gossing just like Honey Montana. Missing cocky cause I'm so lunatic, that's why your mom don't wanna. Prowling cause you're my prey, but yeah, thinking high from this Amiga. Say hello to my little friend from 1990 being MC Killer.
I be posted on the block, my pockets always full of cheddar. For the record, my favorite cereal bowl.
Let's go! Frosted Flakes tryna.
On a whole red bandanas, rednecks shooting to everywhere they wanna.
I'ma let you finish, but take your bowl, wash it up. Give me that money. I be playing chess like I'm the bumping king. Looking for that hussy, give her that diamond ring.
I got old chicks, I need newer. I be trashing fools after school, making rappers fewer. I be passing school, skipping class, call me Bueller.
Yeah, cooking, now we cooking. I just looked up at the gang and we all good looking.
Robbie Glass in Ferragamo, all dressed up with Dolce Gabbana. Exporting Colombia Coke to sheriffs across Montana.
I never chose this life, it chose me. Now I'm standing tall like an OG. Man put gun to my boy's head, pulled the trigger, click, he's dead. I wear the crown cause the game is over. Call me king, all you wanna be posers. Yeah, chilling at my eyes. Step back boys cause I don't play nice. Yo, wanna get with the skizzies? Come boy down, I'll make you dizzy.
Yo, bring that beat back real quick. Y'all can't do that, your boy J-Way. Yeah! Everybody know we're from the 208. Trump gonna build a wall, make America great. Over here with Shaman stacked up the wall. Turn my dog alone had to crawl. Y'all know I'm Dr. Doolittle, cause I talk to the animals. Munching on chicken nuggets like I be the Hannibal. Yo, call me Tiger Woods cause I eat frosted flakes. JK, the only thing I be eating skizzy shakes. Yo, every time I eating at the bird, I can't poop a solid turd. Y'all know I'm the boss. Skizzy shakes. Bump the shit. Bump the shit. What?
Quite the flashback, right? Moving from rap to real estate might seem like a leap, but life is all about growth and transition. My journey from music to mastering the art of real estate investing is a testament to following your passions, adapting, and applying your skills in new and exciting ways. If you're on a path that feels worlds away from where you want to be, remember this: every experience shapes you. Embrace your past, look forward to the future, and know that with determination, you can make it happen. If you enjoyed this little trip down memory lane and are curious about how to carve your path in real estate, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I do respond to them. Your journey might just inspire someone else. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep pushing, keep innovating, and let's make those real estate dreams a reality. I'll see you on the next video.